Welcome back to TechRadar, I'm Matt Phillips, and Amazon Prime Day finally has an official date. Well, dates. It's happening on October 13th and 14th this year, and we think it'll be a good one. I'm ready. Prime Day is Amazon's yearly big sale day, with discounts rolling across the site on everything from tech to video games to furniture. If you want to take advantage though, you'll have to be an Amazon Prime member, which costs around $120 for the year. But if you just want to take part in Prime Day sales, you could get a month of Prime for just $12, or if you haven't already activated it, then you could set up your first month free trial and then just cancel it after Prime Day. Easy.
Probably the best idea I have ever had. It's probably the best idea anybody has ever had.
One of the major benefits of Prime Day over other sales days like Black Friday is that you can do all of your shopping from the comfort of your own home. No need to queue up from 4 AM or shoulder check that granny in Walmart to get yourself a juicy 4K TV deal. And if you simply can't wait, then Amazon's homepage is already touting early deals exclusive to Prime members, including the Amazon Echo Dot 2-pack for $40 and Amazon TV Recast for $129. After 5 years of Prime Days, Amazon has become pretty predictable with what they're going to discount. You'll likely see the best deals on Amazon's own products, including Echo devices, Ring security systems, and Kindles. But we've also seen Prime Day become known for its good laptop deals. We've seen Apple's range of luxury MacBooks taking some particularly impressive price cuts over the past few months, especially on the already cheap MacBook Air 2020, and models like the Asus Vivobook, Acer Swift, and HP Chromebook have all offered lower budget savings as well. So we'd recommend checking out this year's Amazon Prime Day laptop deals for a computer between $300 and $800. Gaming laptop deals have also found a home on Amazon in the past 12 months or so. We think the cheaper end of Acer Nitros and HP Omens have a good chance of going on sale this Amazon Prime Day. If you're looking to spend between $500 and $1,200, however, you might be tempted to hold off and see what manufacturers offer during the Black Friday period. We'll likely see some decent TV deals this year too, but we'd recommend checking Amazon's prices against retailers like Walmart and Target, as these supermarket TVs can get caught in a bidding war during the bigger sale periods, and you might be able to swoop on a better price once Amazon has made its discounts. We expect to see this behavior particularly with Insignia and TCL displays at Walmart. However, you might want to stick with Amazon if you're looking for its exclusive Fire TV and Amazon Alexa compatibility. Amazon often bakes its smart assistant straight into these sets to gain an edge over the competitors. If you're looking for a display that sits above these budget models, you might be in luck. Last year, Amazon discounted the LG OLED C9 down from $2,499 to $1,699 over its Prime Day TV deals. So if you're looking to splash the cash, you might find a win here.
Shut up and take my money!
So how do you make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck this Prime Day? First up, make your wish list now. The Prime Day homepage can be a pretty daunting place with discounts kicking off everywhere, making it difficult to immediately find what you're after. By setting up a wish list of items you want to keep an eye on, you can make sure you're not getting distracted, and you can even set up notifications so you don't miss those mega flash sales. Next, make sure you check out CamelCamelCamel.com. The website is a great free Amazon price tracker and can easily show you if the item you're looking to buy has been cheaper at any point in the past year. Another tip would be that you shouldn't hesitate. If you see what you want on sale, grab it. The best deals tend to go quickly, and with everyone suffering from stock issues in 2020, we expect the great discounted items to disappear quicker than ever. Having said that, don't be seduced by the 90% off sign. Know what you want and need before Prime Day, and don't be sucked in by the useless rubbish you'll buy and never use. Also, for the most part, Amazon has a great returns policy, so if you accidentally get the wrong item or change your mind in the time it takes to get delivered, you should be regret-free after applying for a return. And you know that the last couple of tips have to be shameless plugs. The team at TechRadar works super hard during these sales days to keep you updated on all the best deals currently going on, so make sure that you keep an eye on our homepage so you don't miss out on any of the best deals. Our priority is giving you great buying advice, meaning if a great deal pops up on a subpar product, we'll be there to warn you. Our reviews are also great for figuring out if what you're about to buy is actually worth your money. And finally, on October 13th, on Prime Day, I will be hosting a 3-hour-long live stream on TechRadar.com, as well as our YouTube channel and Facebook channels, where I will be hunting down the best deals that Amazon Prime Day has to offer with your help in the chat and giving those great deal items away to you guys. That's right, our friends at Blackmagic Design have sponsored the live stream and challenged me to find 10 great deals this Prime Day and give them away to you lot. So if you're interested in winning some goodies, then make sure you subscribe to TechRadar on YouTube and hit that bell so you get notified when that live stream goes live and you won't miss out. There is also a link in the description of the YouTube version of this video with all the important terms and conditions and our FAQ on how the giveaway will work, so please do check that out. And finally, all that's left to do is remind you to head to TechRadar.com for all the latest tech news and reviews.